Hi everyone, it's Scott. Let me show you how to download and install Visual Studio 19. All right, so go to Google, go to the download page, and you'll see that there are three of them there. There's the Community, Professional, and Enterprise. The Community is the only one you're going to need. So click on that, go over to there. You're going to have to put in your email address and tell them what country you're from. You're going to have to, what kind of game you're going to, or application you're going to be putting. I just put in game myself. All right. All right, the next step is it's going to download some stuff. It'll take a while for it to download the installer. It'll make some noise and beep at you and all this. When that's done, it's going to bring up this page. Now, these are all the different features that you can add to Visual Studio. And let's see here. Well, certainly we're going to want to do the desktop development in C++. Probably going to want .NET, Universal Window Platform, mobile ones. Just check all the ones I'm checking. Mobile development with C++, Unity game development. That'll be pretty good. And then finally, I like the Visual Studio extension development. That's kind of handy too. Let's click that one. All right. Now you're going to go install it. This is going to take a while, so just be patient. I think it's about 8 gigabytes or something like that of what we just connected. Yeah. There, I'm 21% done. Wait some more time. All right. Notice now down at the bottom of my bottom left-hand corner of the screen, Unity is shown up. It's installed Unity for me in all that amount of time. It's finishing up, and I should get a notification here in just a moment to reboot. There it is, and we are done.